Hey there, welcome to you in my YouTube channel. In this tutorials, I am going to show you how to create a Facebook page custom username URL on your new Facebook page. So, if you wanted to do this without hiring any expert, without any previous experience, then you can continue this video. So, let's get started. To do this, first of all, you have to log in your Facebook profile, then click on here and you have to select your page for which one you wanted to create a new custom URL. So I have just created this page, so select this one and visit page. Looks here, this page has not any custom URL. Looks here, and we wanted to add a custom URL in here. Okay, to do this, then you have to click on here account, click on the settings and privacy, click on the settings, then you have to click on the page setup under audience and visibility. So click on here, then click on here view. Here is the page name, click on the view. Now you can see that you have not set a username in here, so we can now right now create our username or set a username. Okay, so I'm going to set a username. So here is my username. Yes, perfect. Then click on the save changes. So easy. Yes, we have done. Now if I visit my page, click on the page name, looks here, here is the new update URL or custom URL. So easy and simple. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Facebook marketing or SEO or video marketing, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.